aren't you like worried?
I don't really care how much it is because my daddy will pay it for me. $3 million is how much I paid for my mansion yesterday. It's actually a pretty good price. Hey Dad, can you write me a check for $3 million?
I literally made you a check.
I know, but that was for a house. This is for me to meet my soulmate.
Okay.
Thanks, Dad. Love you. Excuse me, I'd like to cash in my check to meet my soulmate.
Okay, do you want a payment plan?
Oh no, I don't need a payment plan. This is a check. Paid in full.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Great. Thank you. You bringing my soulmate?
I can't cash this check for you. This is a fraudulent check.
Fraudulent check. I don't think you understand. My dad is the richest man on
I
the...
already called the police. Ma'am, you need to come with us.
What? Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out my digital acting program in the link below.